Welcome to my channel. Tell me honestly, do you ever want to speak English but stop yourself because no one is there to talk with? Do you stay quiet even when you have something to say? I understand that silence. I've been there too. But here's the truth. You don't need anyone else to start speaking English. You can practice with the best person in the world, yourself. And that simple habit can change your English forever. So stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how. Chapter 1. Why talking to yourself works. Most English learners think their problem is grammar or vocabulary, but that's not true. The real problem is fear. Fear of being wrong. Fear of sounding strange. Fear of people laughing. And because of that fear, most learners say nothing. But silence never teaches you English. If you want to speak, you have to speak. There's no other way. And the safest way to start is to talk to yourself. When you talk to yourself, no one is judging you. No one is watching. No one is laughing. It's just you and your voice. That's what makes self-talk powerful. It's private, safe, but very real practice. Every word you say builds your confidence. Every sentence you speak connects your mind and mouth. Step by step, your English becomes stronger. Think about it. When you learned your first language as a child, you didn't wait for lessons. You spoke, you repeated, you made mistakes. You laughed, you tried again. That's how you learned. That's how you'll learn English too. Many people wait for the perfect time, the right partner, the right teacher, the right class. But life doesn't wait. So why should you? Create your own moment, and self-talk gives you that moment every single day. You can talk to yourself in the morning, before bed, while cooking, walking, cleaning, anywhere. At first, it might feel strange. You may even think, am I going crazy? No, you're not crazy, you're smart. Crazy is staying silent and expecting your English to improve. Smart is using every minute to practice. When you talk to yourself, you create your own confidence. Confidence doesn't appear out of nowhere. You build it. The more you speak, the more natural English feels in your mouth. And slowly, your English voice becomes part of you. Imagine this. You're in a store and you need to ask something in English. Most people freeze, but not you. Because you've already practiced those words before, alone, with yourself. And suddenly you speak. Clearly, confidently. That's when you realize self-talk was preparing you all along. So after this video, try it. Look around your room. Say one simple English sentence about what you see. Don't wait, don't overthink, just speak. Even one small sentence today is the first step to the confident English speaker you'll become tomorrow. Remember, the world will hear your English someday if you start talking to yourself today. Chapter 2. Your voice is your classroom. You might think books or apps are your biggest tools, but your most powerful tool is something you already have. Your voice. Your voice goes everywhere with you. You don't need money to use it. You don't need permission. You just need courage to open your mouth. That's it. The moment you speak, learning begins. Maybe your sentences sound broken. Maybe your accent feels strange. That's okay. Broken words are better than silence because broken words become stronger words over time. Reading helps your eyes, listening helps your ears, but speaking trains your whole body. Your mouth learns rhythm. Your breath follows the words. Your mind starts to think in English naturally. Don't wait for perfection, it never comes first. Practice comes first. Perfection follows later. Your voice doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be alive. Try this right now. Whisper to yourself, I can do this. Say it again, I can do this. That's your voice teaching you. That's your classroom. Every time you use your voice, you are both the student and the teacher. You ask, you answer, you repeat, you grow. Your voice is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Even if it's just 1 minute in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night, that's 3 minutes more than silence. One day, you'll look back and realize your own voice was your greatest teacher. So don't hide it. Don't be afraid of how it sounds. Use it. Your voice is your classroom, and it's open 24/7. Chapter 3. Start with I am sentences. The first words you speak in the morning set the tone for your whole day. If you start with silence, your day stays silent. If you start with power, your day becomes powerful. So start your day with I am sentences. They're short, simple, but full of energy. When you say I am ready, you're not only practicing English, you're programming your mind for confidence. When you say I am learning, you remind yourself that you're growing every day. Children learn this way. Small emotional sentences. I am happy. I am hungry. I am tired. Simple words, but powerful learning. So tomorrow morning, stand in front of your mirror and say, I'm learning English. Say it again. I'm learning English. You'll feel a small shift inside. Because you're speaking truth, you are learning. Repeat your I am sentences throughout your day. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking food. I am walking to work. Your daily actions become English practice. You're not just studying English, you're living it. And the more you live it, the faster it grows inside you. So here's your challenge. After watching this video, write or speak 3 I am sentences about yourself. Say them out loud. Say them with feeling. Every I am you speak brings you closer to fluency. Chapter 4. Describe your actions in real time. You don't need a partner to practice English. You already have everything around you. Your day, your actions, your world. Every moment can be a sentence. I am making tea. I am checking my phone. I am closing the door. This is called real-time English. And it's one of the easiest and most natural ways to train your mind to think in English. When you describe your actions, you connect your thoughts directly to English. That connection is what builds fluency. Children do this naturally. They point, they speak, they live the language. You can do it too. And the best part? You don't need extra time. Cooking becomes English practice. Walking becomes English practice. Even washing dishes becomes English practice. If you say something wrong, don't worry. I am cook food is still better than silence. Mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you're learning. Try it right now. Look around you. Say one sentence about what you're doing. Maybe you're watching this video. Say it. I am watching a video. Simple, real, powerful. Remember, your life is your classroom. Your actions are your lessons. Your voice is your teacher. Chapter 5. The Mirror Method. There's one secret tool every learner should use. The mirror. Your mirror is your free teacher. It's always waiting for you. When you speak English in front of a mirror, you don't just hear yourself, you see yourself. You see your face, your mouth, your eyes, your expressions. It feels like you're talking to another person. At first, you might laugh or feel shy, that's fine. Soon, that mirror will become your best speaking partner. Look into your own eyes and talk. Pretend you're in a real conversation. Practice your smile, your expressions, your tone. This builds confidence because speaking is not only about words, it's also about body language and energy. Say to your reflection, "Good morning, I am ready for today." Then smile. Say it again, louder. That small habit can change how you feel every morning. You can also ask and answer questions in front of the mirror. How are you? I am fine, thank you. I feel great today. What will you do today? I will study English. Keep going. Make the mirror your daily partner. Because real confidence starts when you can look at yourself and speak without fear. If you can speak to yourself with courage, you can speak to anyone. Chapter 6. Talk about your feelings. English isn't only about words. It's about life. And life is full of feelings. Happy, sad, nervous, excited. These are not just emotions. They're your connection to real English. When you say, I feel happy, your brain remembers that smile. When you say, I feel tired, your body connects with that truth. That's why emotional English stays longer in your memory. Don't hide your feelings. Use them. Speak them. Practice them. Say, I feel nervous, but I'm trying. I feel tired, but I'm learning. I feel proud of my progress. Every feeling can become a sentence. And every sentence brings you closer to fluency. If you feel lonely, say it. I feel lonely. Then turn it into strength. I feel lonely, but I can talk to myself in English. See? You just changed emotion into progress. So today, ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Answer in English. Speak it. Write it. Make it a habit. One feeling a day, one sentence a day. Because real English is not learned from books. It's learned from the life you live, the feelings you feel, and the voice you use. Remember, your English journey doesn't begin with perfection. It begins with your voice. One sentence at a time. One moment at a time. One feeling at a time. So today, talk to yourself. Practice with yourself. And build the English speaker that already lives inside you. If this message inspired you, tell me your I am sentence in the comments below. Let's grow together. You are not alone. You are learning. You are growing. You are ready.